Click cell H4. You want to enter a formula here using the OR function to determine if the employee is eligible for a bonus. Click the Formulas tab on the ribbon. In the Function Library group, click the Insert Function button. The Insert Function dialog box opens. Click the or select a category arrow. A list of function categories appears. In the list, click Logical. A list of logical functions appears in the Select a Function box. In the Select a Function box, click OR. The OR function is selected. Excel displays a brief description of the function and its syntax. Click OK. The Function Arguments dialog box opens. You will enter the conditions for the OR function here. Type F4 greater than sign 1 million in the Logical 1 text box. The first condition tests whether the value in cell F4 is greater than 1 million. When you finish typing the condition, Excel returns a value of true. This condition is met. Press Tab. The insertion point moves to the Logical 2 text box. Type G4 =5 in the text. The second condition tests whether the performance rating in cell G4 is greater than 4. Excel returns a value of false for this condition. Click OK. Excel returns a value of true in cell H4 because at least one of the logical conditions is true.